Hello, assalamu alaikum everybody. How you guys doing? And today this is me, your boy Market Wes. We are back with another trade breakdown, guys. I'm just gonna show you guys some executions over here with quite good returns. And this week was quite, I'll say, incredible for me because in the starting of the week I just lost like negative 400 on my 5k funded, but then give we just get a beautiful comeback with like recovering all that loss in just these three trades. So without any further delay, let's move to the breakdown. And yeah, as you can see, I just hit the stop loss over here as well in the Asia session. I am just going to explain the trades that were in profit. You can see I just showed you the beautiful stop losses. And let me clear one thing. uh, you can see like there's an execution over here which is created, but not here and not here as well. The reason was quite simple. I was trading these trade during my live sessions, so you can check them on my YouTube if you want. All right, on my live session we did this trade and this trade on our live, so you can check there as well. So I'm just going to explain the executions very quickly. The first execution is quite simple, and we're just gonna move to the replay, and I'm just gonna explain to you guys why we took this trade. So on the higher time frames, what happened once we closed below this area on 15 minute. Now let me clear that this is the London session trade, not the New York session. So on London session, what I saw that we are closing below this breaker block of 15 minute, as I told you guys in my previous video that I usually go for like 15 minute and then 1 minute entry, and that's all I do. So when we get the closure below this, now I know that we are pretty bullish, and we also did the retest over here. So as soon as we got this retest as a bullish kind of closure, I was pretty sure that we're gonna move to the downside. And why I targeted this area, the reason was quite simple. We got the higher time frame lows over here. So when we get here, we took an entry. All right, I took my entry at this swing low. As soon as we cut this swing low, I took my entry over here, and then we just waited, and alhamdulillah, we just covered like 120 pips and 7.6 hour trade, which is a fabulous trade in my opinion. Like seriously, it was quite intense trade as well, but yeah, we got the beautiful trade execution at the day, and I was pretty excited for that because we got the pretty slow momentum in the London session, but I was pretty sure that we're gonna get some high volatility in the New York session. That you guys can see we traded this at 932, and how I did that, I'm gonna show you that as well. So yeah, here's the twist. Now we got this all bullish move up. What a lot of people are gonna do, they're gonna do buy over here. They're gonna see this as a retest area, inverse FVG, CISD, each and everything, and then think they're gonna do buys because of this low resistance liquidity that is pending above here. But why I took sells, the reason was quite simple for that is that we got the daily gap fill over here, and we also got the lows over here, which are quite interesting. Let me show you guys. Yeah, so this is the liquidity that we got over here and over here as well. All right, so that's why we're targeting this area. And let me give you another thing, that once we came down at 930, yep, below this breaker block, we got the displacement, beautiful displacement over here. I also used my standard deviation to plot my take profits. So that's what I did, and this is the trick that we really like. And alhamdulillah, we got like 116 pips on this trade. So we almost covered like 240 pips in a single day in a market. That was a quite big changing also trading day for me and for my funded, that we just came from negative 400 to negative 200. That was a quite good trade of the day. And yeah, that was it for the day, guys. I'm just gonna explain the other executions but in the upcoming video. For now, you just have to understand this video. Till then, subscribe my channel. I'm gonna make sure that I'll bring new and simple content so that you guys can understand about the trading. Thank you so much.